Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to the Live Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from Bloomington, Indiana. Today is just a very interesting day regarding the life of Tommy C. Like immediately after this, I got me a psych appointment. And then after that, just to show you guys something, that right there is like where all the Excel Center people graduate. Now, here's a little bit of some word of advice for like new people looking into the Excel Center. Like, number one, it's okay to be scared. And number two, always remember that if you guys fail your class, there's always another alternative. You guys can look into like a different class. These people here at the Excel Center Bloomington are so very nice. They're directed by this girl named Kelly Hannah McClary. And this girl is so very nice. She even works over there in a YLCC helping out little kids if they ever need help, like sadly we had us like a very big loss of like a good friend at the Excel Center. His name is John Murley. He was one of my favorite teachers. And just to show you guys a little bit around, just to give you guys an idea. If you guys ever want to come here and try this place out, like over there's El Compadre, okay? So what's great about this school, their smoking area is out there, and out here, let me get the brightness, out here, right out there, it's like Steak and Chicken. They have some of the bestest burgers you guys can find in Bloomington. I'm not saying Nick's has good burgers. I'm not saying that, so do not take that anywhere except for on my YouTube channel. Because they use Fisher Farms, and Fisher Farms, it's like one of the greatest places where you guys can like find out about like different stuff. Like there are like two options for transportation around here. There's like number one, Bloomington Transit, of course. And number two, the the transit of Bloomington Transit, which is like not very far from here. Their transit center is there on Guides Avenue. And also, this place right here, this El Compadre, bestest Mexican food. You guys gotta try it there. And also, just to show you guys out around here, this right here is what Liberty Drive looks like right here. So Liberty Drive is in the heart of Bloomington, okay? They do like a lot of good stuff. They do like great food on this road. They have like on the road a little bit far. On the road a little bit far that way, it's like another good place. It's called good place to work. It's called PTS Electronics, and PTS Electronics uses a wide variety of different electronics. There's also Aldi's on this side. There's also a Kroger, which is all the way down there, like down there on the left. And also another good area you guys can find down there is a Walmart. And over there, if you guys like miss your FedEx package, the FedEx center is right over there. So that's easy for people who lost their FedEx. And if you guys do need like any help like with transportation, the Excel Center is like almost one of the bestest options for you guys, okay? Now they use like they're all over Indiana, the Excel Center is, okay? So like thinking about it, you guys can find like a different amount of stuff and like the Excel Center, the Selvin Learning Center. There's like so many stuff that you guys can do here at this place. It is like not even funny. Plus also there are like two different areas you guys can look at if you guys are ever in the Bloomington area and you guys are wondering, hey, what about this place? Because we don't know about it. It's okay to don't know about it and get nervous. What is not okay is just being like brave and not even giving it like a shot. And also let you guys know And also let you guys know that there is like a wide range of stuff you guys can do in Bloomington. There's like number one, there's like the Wonder Lab. Number two, you guys have a lot of different restaurants like 4th Street is down that way. 4th Street has like a lot of different cuisines. And also, there's like a different amounts of stuff. Alright, you guys, thank you very much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.